I think the way people look at the investments is one of the biggest reasons they are not getting the result they actually want from the investments. Most people invest with the hope to make quick returns, double their money and get rich fast. Hence, they keep trying short-term tricks to make money. But in that process, they get anxious and sometimes वो पैसे ही खो देते. The underlying goal for investing money for everyone is to create financial security, to have enough money to live peacefully and achieve their financial goals. But the mindset with which they approach investing does not match with the real goals. They think of investing as T20 instead of a test match. If you're a cricket fan, you'll understand this. Both are cricket matches, yet both require very different kind of mindset, technique, strategy. A T20 player is out there to score fast. They take big shots and high risk to score quick runs. If it works, great. If not, it does not take long to be out of the game. But a test match player builds their innings. They take time to understand the pitch, the bowler, and the situation. They know not every ball needs a shot. And they're okay with playing slow because the goal is to stay in and win over time. That's exactly how investing should be. Because real wealth doesn't come from hitting sixes every day. It comes from staying on the pitch long enough and letting compounding do its thing. Thus, stay in the game and the runs will come.